Bapu has a dream of clean India. Modi ji has a vision of Swachh Bharat. Our Honorable Chief Minister has determination towards achieving Bapu's
Namaste.
dream. We are the people of Potanavalsa village, which is located in K. Kotapadu Mandal, Vishakhapatnam district. We are predominantly dependent upon agriculture for our livelihood. In the transformation of our village from ODF to ODF plus. As an initiative taken by the central government on Swachh Bharat mission, maximum individual household latrines due to active participation in constructing IHHLS, acquired the ODF status on. We are very thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu for launching a flagship program, Manam Mana Parishubhrata.
Firstly, I want to thank respectful dignitaries, Mandal Development Officer Dr. Sanjidev Garu and Extension Officer for Panchayat Raj and Rural Development, Apparao Garu, for selecting our village in Anumansuprata Phase 2. This flagship program started in our village on October 2nd, 2020 to achieve the ODF status within local leaders, our regional staff, and I have conducted several awareness campaigns on solid waste management, liquid waste management, plastic waste management, Gobarda, and we have
Our state government has initiated War on Waste for Well-being, which is a part of MMPS program conducted for 21 days. In this program, we have conducted several campaigns for different groups like farmers, SHG members, youth, children, shopkeepers and artists to bring awareness in people.
Myself Sanyasi, working as Green Ambassador in Potanavalsa village, and my daily activity is to collect wet and dry waste from each and every household. And I also clean and collect the waste from community places like temples, schools, roads, etc. After collecting this waste, I have to dispose this waste to SWPC shed. Wet waste is dumped to NADEP and dry waste dumped to dry waste pits.
Myself Paidalamma, working as Green Guard in Potanavalsa village, and my activity is to decompose the wet waste in NADEPs. Then it will be taken to vermi pits. Then earthworms will be released into that NADEP to form vermi. After completion of vermi preparation, then it will be sold to farm.
Due to segregation of wet and dry waste, we are not only earning income but we also have a clean village.
Namaste. Myself Chitti Parvi, present Sarpanch of Potanavalsa. After creating a lot of awareness programs, I can proudly say that our village got ODF plus status. With this spirit, we are looking forward to be a model village for cleanliness, not only in the present but also in the future.
Firstly, we are people HEV, ODF plus data. Main activity implement 2 rupees. Newspaper 2 rupees. Who make people accountable and respond. Our volunteer 2 rupees from
Every
Clean Potanavalsa.
Clean Potanavalsa.
Clean Potanavalsa.
Clean Potanavalsa.
Clean Potanavalsa.
Clean Potanavalsa.
मेरा भारत महान है।